Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off auto answer calls on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on settings. In settings you want to go down and tap on accessibility, then we go down and tap on touch. Next, go down and tap on call audio routing, and then tap on auto answer calls. At the top here, tap on the toggle button to turn off auto answer calls, or tap on the toggle button to switch it on. After that, you can change the duration of time to wait until the call is auto answered, so you can choose more or less by tapping on the minus or the plus button. By default, it is set to 3 seconds. If you want, you can tap on the plus button to increase the seconds. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.